thing when you're a kid and you make your blood vessels go. So today I'm going to kick things off with one of my favourite recipes that I have most Friday nights, but if I'm honest, I might order it. Why would you do that? Because it's so cheap and so easy. I haven't even told you what we're cooking, no. Welcome to egg fried rice. So I've got here 3 spring onions. Just going to lop off the bottoms, going to lop off the top or the green bits. We're just going to rattle through those. We're then going to go in with a teaspoon of ginger. Best way to get rid of the skin of your ginger is to use a teaspoon, and you're just going to scrape it off. And then we're just again going to finely chop this. And we're also going to go in with 2 garlic cloves. Oh, do I have a garlic press? No. So we're only going to do this for about a minute, and what we're just looking for is to get them a little bit soft, but we want that crunch, we want that texture in your rice. Right, whilst that's just having a little moment more, into this 200 grams of pre-cooked rice. Now what I've used here is microwave rice, best thing you can do because it's just so easy. 100 grams of peas that I've just frozen peas that I've just let thaw out a little bit as well. Some chilli jam. This is actually a Jamie Oliver tip, and it's such a good one because it adds so much flavour without you needing to have loads of ingredients. Oh, flicked one. 2 tablespoons of chilli jam as well. Keep that heat really nice and high. It's called a stir fry for a reason. So do fry it and stir it. We're not making stir fry though. We're making fried rice, but you know, potato. And as I say, just let that heat get through it all. If you want to know how to make chilli jam, if in doubt, just Google Katie.Pix chilli jam. Katie.Pix pie, chocolate brownies, vegan chocolate brownies. Done it all. I'm going to grab a bowl. I'm going to crack 3 eggs into the bowl. So now we're going to create a well in the centre of our dish. I'm going to take the heat down a little bit. And then you've got your 3 eggs, and I've also got here 200 grams of silken tofu. Now, this is basically not a solid tofu. Silken is a bit softer, it crumbles very easily, which is perfect for this. It's just going to add another layer of texture. I'm going to pop our egg into the well. And then I'm going to crumble in the tofu on top of that as well. In there. And then I'm going to start stirring in. If you do it in big kind of full turns, give it a chance to cook again and then go in again. It means that you're going to get those lovely kind of ribbons of egg rather than essentially scrambled egg with some rice in it. Also, if you do let it sit a bit, then you get those kind of crunchy bits of rice. Look at that. That. Tofu itself doesn't have a huge amount of flavour, so what we want to do here is be really clever about how we season it. Go in with some proper soy sauce, don't scrimp, get the nice stuff. I'm going to go in with a generous glug of soy into that as well. Yeah, that was a really satisfying start. Now obviously soy is quite salty, so ease up on your salt a little bit, but feel free to try it and do it to your flavour. We're going to have a little tidy up, and then best part of the meal, taste time. And how easy was that? Like, how simple. And this, you can pimp it up as much as you want. Prawns in there, a bit of pancetta, or you want to take the egg out. Do it, go for it, make it your own. Right, and now it's just another I mean, that's not lie, I've eaten quite a bit already. That is delicious. The fragrance of the ginger is coming through. The fact that tofu is a really nice texture in it, and all squidgy, and it's just, that's cracking. Guys, I hope you give this a go. If you like this recipe, make sure you give it a little thumbs up. It means the blooming world to me. Until next time, I'll see you next week. Ciao! That's delicious. That was just, I mean, I'm giving my local a run for its money now.